This video is going to talk about the distributive property. The distributive property works in very special cases. And those special cases are when you have a number that's going to be multiplied into a set of parentheses. Now you could very easily solve the problem using parentheses. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. You could do it that way. But there's another way to solve this problem as well. And that's using the distributive property. Start a new problem over here. And the way the distributive property works is it says that you can multiply the 2 first, even though the parentheses are here, because there's an addition problem in here. So what that means is that you can multiply 2 times 3 and get 6, and you can multiply 2 times 4 and get 8. Keep that addition sign, and you're multiplying this because there's actually an invisible multiplication sign in here, because no sign means multiplication. So when you do that, 6 plus 8 is 14. Two different ways. This is the way with the distributive property, and this is the regular way. Now the question is, why do we care about the distributive property if we can just solve things the regular way? Well, we care about the distributive property because sometimes you'll get a problem like this. And because you don't know what x is, you can't add 6 plus x. But you still have to do something. You can still solve this a little bit more. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the distributive property to solve this one more step. We're going to multiply 5 times 6, which is 30, and then we're going to multiply 5 times x. But we don't know what x is, so we're not actually going to get a product here. What we're going to get is we're just going to mash the two factors up together. So 5 times x is going to say 5 times x. So we have just 5x, because 5x still means 5 times x. Except this way, we've written it a little bit more completely and neatly than up here. And this is why we use the distributive property.